Welcome back to Photography with Amy Horn. Today I'm going to demonstrate macro water splash photography. Enjoy! Water splash photography can be done in many different ways. You can see this really simple setup here where there are two off-camera flashes, a water vessel, I'll call it, because you can use small vases like this or betta fish tanks, larger fish tanks. And then the background is just a piece of construction paper attached to plexiglass, held up by a 2x4 with a groove in it. My camera, I have my macro lens on, of course the off-camera flash, and a shutter release trigger. In order to make my splashes, I'm going to use a syringe, fill some of the water with it, and as I spray out the water, I'll capture multiple images with the flash. In order to do this properly, when you first set up, you might notice in your water that there are bubbles. So in order to eliminate a lot of the bubbles, you have to release the bubbles off the edge of the glass. This can be done easily by adding either Rain-X to the side of the glass or even using your finger to wipe some of the bubbles off. So I'll just come down and demonstrate what I can do. If it's a large water vessel, then using some form of squeegee works very nicely. And of course, having a towel nearby is really handy because I'll need to clean off some of the inside of that glass as well. Okay, I've released all the water bubbles from the inside edge of the glass, and I've cleaned the glass on the inside, and now I'm ready to shoot. So I can take one sample image to make sure both flashes trigger. When it comes to focus, I focus right on the front edge of the line where it crosses in my frame. I have filled my syringe with water. Now I'm going to splash and shoot at the same time. So I like to do a little countdown for myself. 1, 2, 3. Wipe the glass in between shots, especially the front of the glass, to eliminate extra splashes that you don't want to have to remove in Photoshop later. And I'm ready to go again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, why didn't it? If you're interested in more macro photography projects, feel free to subscribe to my channel, or you can pick up a copy of my Art of Macro Photography book at Amazon.